Hello friends! You can notice that in the most part of my test videos I use the multimeter UNI-T UT39C, which was and still is a very popular device. But I was looking for a more simple device. Moreover, the UNI-T multimeter has no backlight, and in some cases it was an obstacle for me. But finally I have found the solution. This is the multimeter of the company MILESEEY, which is famous for its precise distance meters. The device can measure AC voltage, DC voltage, resistance. It can check diodes and has also continuous checking. It measures DC current, has non-contact voltage detection function, but unlike this device, it has backlight and flashlight buttons. UT39C, approximately 310 grams, and the weight of MC616 is 200 grams. As to the dimensions, 17 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 4 centimeters. Less than 15 centimeters, approximately 7 centimeters, .5 centimeters. And also a very important note. Here we have 9-volt battery, and here 3 batteries of 3A size. But unlike this device, here we have a metal nut. So you can change the batteries 1000 times and you will not be afraid of damage of this plastic part. Here we see the advantages of this device. I mean the probe holders, and also you can hold this device on a screw. Here we have the flashlight, and this is NCV detector. The device comes in a small box. And includes the probes, 3 batteries, and the manual. Now let's turn the devices on and compare them. AC voltage. We can say that the indication is the same. DC voltage. Here we have the DC-DC converter, but without the load, the voltage is not stable. That's why we have to use the load. The second digit is OK, and we have the difference only in the third digit. Let's increase the voltage. The difference increases. The difference is 0.06 volts. $19.99, 19.91. So the maximum difference is 0.08 volts. DC current. The accuracy is 0.01 amps. Let's increase the current. The accuracy is the same. Let's increase the load. 0.61, 0.62, 0.94, 0.95, 2.43, 2.45, 3.99, 4.01, 5.05, 5.08, 5.52, 5.55. Now let's check milliamps, but more precisely. 106, 108. Also a very decent result for a cheap device. Diode checking. 312, 324. And also LED. We can see the light here. And will be possible for this device to turn this on. Yes. So also we can check the light emitting diode. Resistance 2.9, 3.2, and the resistance is 2.4 ohms. 0.8, 1.2, 1.1, and the resistance is 0.51. 200 ohms. Also nothing. 200 ohms. And here we have 200 ohms. 1.78 kilo ohms. 1.70, let's say 1.78 kilo ohms. And here we have 1.8 kilo ohms. And finally, nothing, it's natural, and also nothing, because we have 22 kilo ohms, 21 kilo ohms, it should be nothing, 21.6, so in this range MILESEEE is even more precise than UNI-T. As to the non-contact voltage detection function, here we have AC voltage, the distance is approximately 4 centimeters, low, in 1 centimeter the level is high. And it's really very good that the device has 2 levels of detection. And now about its lights. Here we have a backlight. And this is the flashlight. Which can be really very useful in dark places. Now about the conclusions. The device is relatively small, lightweight, it can measure AC voltage, DC current, resistance, check diodes and wires, has non-contact voltage detection function, and also has backlight, flashlight, and can be held on a screw. Not to mention this function. The only disadvantage I found in this device is absence of the power button. Hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Wish you good luck.